Let's watch how cold-pressed groundnut oil is extracted and processed inside the edible oil making factory. First, high-quality groundnuts are loaded in jute bags, which is later emptied and spread in a large tray. Thereafter, groundnuts are cold-pressed in a mixer under high pressure, extracting oil without heat or chemicals. The extracted oil is then filtered to remove impurities, ensuring a clear and pure product. Later, the filtered oil is filled into tins using automated machines, ensuring precisely measured quantity. The filtered oil is also filled inside glass bottles, culminating various quantity options for the customers. The filled tins and bottles are then sealed airtight to preserve the oil's freshness and quality. Now, paper stickers with the production and expiry dates printed on them are wrapped around the tins for traceability and consumer information. The same papers are also wrapped around the bottles with proper finish. Next, the sealed tins and bottles are packed into cartons and sealed for safe storage and transportation. At last, these tins and bottles are loaded inside trucks and dispatched for the distribution